The nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves throughout the body. Inside these structures are special nervous system cells that can conduct electrical signals and pass information rapidly throughout the body. Bodily functions, muscle movements, and the transmission of sensory information are coordinated by the brain sending information throughout the body, and peripheral nerves sending information to the brain. Structures of the nervous system transfer messages throughout the body. Specialized nervous system cells, called neurons, make this messaging possible. At one end of a neuron are dendrites that receive a messaging signal. In the neuron's axon, a chain reaction moves the message to the synapse, where the signal is transferred. Before this process begins, the neuron is polarized with a net positive charge outside the neuron and a negative charge inside. As the signal passes along the axon, the membrane depolarizes and repolarizes again, passing positive charges in and then back out. The depolarizing signal creates a chain reaction that passes in a wave along the axon. When the signal reaches the axon terminal, the change in polarity triggers the release of neurotransmitters from the presynaptic cell. These chemicals travel across a small space and activate another neuron, or they can transfer the signal to tissue, like muscle, and create an action. The peripheral nervous system coordinates involuntary functions like heart rate and respiration. It controls voluntary and sensory functions, including the sensation of special sensory information. All nerves involved in the voluntary control of skeletal muscles are part of the somatic system of the peripheral nervous system. Body functions that are mainly involuntary and controlled by signals that pass from the brain to glands and organs throughout the body are part of the autonomic system of the peripheral nervous system. Somatic reflexes are automatic responses to stimuli that allow for fast reactions before messages reach the brain. These reflex actions occur in a series of steps known as the reflex arc. First, a sensory receptor detects a stimulus and a signal travels through afferent neurons towards the spinal cord. When the signal passes through the gray matter of the spinal cord, a message is relayed from the afferent neuron through an association neuron to an efferent neuron. This leads to a quick, automatic reflex reaction that occurs without the need for processing in the brain.